Hello Lone Wolf fans, it's your good old buddy Lone Wolf here with a new unboxing video for you today. This time it came from Declutter, my good old buddies down in Georgia. And let's just cut the chit chat and check out what's inside, shall we? Now these particular items cost me a really good price. Normally they go over $100 new. And I actually found them on Amazon from Declutter altogether for a total of $19.11. Now that's not a bad deal, if you ask me. And let's see what we got here. Well, we got the Batman Returns soundtrack score. Yeah, I hate it when they write on the albums. I'm gonna have to try and find a way to get rid of the marker. And the other one, Batman Forever score. I'll read off the track titles for Batman Returns first. And I actually have a friend that was in this movie. Now, why did they do that? It's a bunch of bloody idiots. They turned it upside down. You morons. The previous owner, not the people that sold it to me. And this movie actually has a special place in my heart because it was the first movie I ever saw in theaters and the first Batman movie I ever saw in theaters. Yeah, they don't even mention the track on this one. So I'll have to read it off on the disc. Birth of a Penguin, parts 1 and 2. The Lair. Selena Transforms. The Cemetery. Cat Suite. Batman vs. the Circus. The Rise and Fall from Grace. Sore Spots. Rooftops Wild Ride. Ugh. The Children's Hour. Final Confrontation. The Finale. End Credits. And Face to Face. And this is what's on the booklet for the Batman Forever score. Doesn't look that much different than the actual soundtrack, if you ask me. Which I also have. And I have friends that actually worked on a friend that actually worked on this. And again, they put it upside down. Why the person did that is beyond me. And this score album for Batman Forever marks the first of my soundtracks done by Elliot Goldenthal, which I hope to get another one of his for the soundtrack to Alien 3. Okay, the tracks are Main Titles and Fanfare, Perpetuum, well, The Perils of Gotham, Chase Noir, Fledermaus Music, Enigma Variations, Node to Science, Victory, Descent, The Pull of Regret, Mouth Nocturne, Gotham City Boogie, Under the Top, Mr. E's Dance Card, Rumba Foxtrot, Waltz and Tango, Two-Phase 3-Step, Chase Blanc, Spank Me Overture, Holy Rusted Metal, and Better Dameron. With that being said, I wish you all a nice day. Stay safe and healthy.